unlock the meaning of earmarked in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our journey through English phrases, where we unlock the meanings and uses of common English expressions. Today, we're going to explore the term earmarked. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the intricacies of the language, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and discover the nuances of this interesting phrase. The term earmarked has a literal and a metaphorical meaning. Literally, it comes from the old practice of marking the ear of an animal to show ownership or identity. However, when we use the term in everyday English, we're almost always referring to its metaphorical sense. To earmark something means to set it aside for a specific purpose or to designate it for a particular use. Think of it as tagging something in your mind, just like you might bookmark a page in a book that you want to return to later. Now that we know what earmarked means, let's look at how to use it properly in a sentence. Funds have been earmarked for the new school building, meaning that money has been set aside specifically for that project. The director earmarked the last 10 minutes of the meeting for open discussion, indicating that this time was designated for that purpose. As you can see, earmarked can be used in various contexts, from financial to general planning. One common mistake learners make is confusing earmarked with general saving or holding onto something. Remember, earmarked is not just saving. It's allocating for a specific purpose. For example, saying, "I have earmarked my old clothes for donation," is correct, but saying, "I have earmarked my lunch," just to mean you're saving it for later, is not the typical use of the term. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you better grasp the concept. Other words that carry a similar meaning to earmarked include allocated, designated, set aside, reserved. Using synonyms can add variety to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase earmarked. Now that you understand what it means and how to use it, try incorporating it into your daily conversations or writing. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English phrases and their meanings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging language learning content. Keep practicing, and see you next time.